I am Hari Thakur, PGT Commerce, describing BST first chapter, Nature and Significance of Management. Concept of management. Management means managing activities. It consists of a series of interrelated functions that are performed by individuals working in the organization or as a group with an aim to contribute their best towards achievement of common goal. Example number 1, a group of friends working on a project. Example number 2, an NGO working towards women welfare. And number 3, a business enterprises BG making profits. Thus, management equal to process plus effective plus efficient. ठीक है, अब दूसरा features of management. Number 1, management is a goal oriented. Number 2, management is all pervasive. Number 3, management is a continuous process. Number 4, management is a group activity. Number 5, management is multi. Number 5, management is multi-dimensional. Dimensional. Number 5.
बोलिए.
Objectives of management. Organizational objective, social objective, and personal objective. Personal objectives. Organizational objectives में आता है सर्वाइवल, दूसरा प्रॉफिट एंड ग्रोथ. सोशल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स में सप्लाई ऑफ quality products at fair price. Prices. Generation of employment. Generation of employment. And third है conducting business in lawful manner. lawful manner manner एंड इसका हो गया पर्सनल ऑब्जेक्टिव में फाइनेंस, इसमें हो गया फाइनेंशियल नीड्स, फाइनेंशियल नीड्स। नंबर 2 में सोशल नीड्स, फाइनेंशियल नीड्स। दूसरा हो गया सोशल नीड्स, सोशल नीड्स। तीसरा हायर लेवल, हायर लेवल नीड्स, हायर लेवल नीड्स एंड गुड्स एंड नीड्स। और नंबर 4 में हो गया गुड्स एंड हेल्दी वर्किंग कंडीशन, गुड गुड एंड एंड हेल्दी हेल्दी वर्किंग कंडीशंस कंडीशंस।